So first we're going to go to automations. We are going to use Instagram as a channel, start from scratch. Then we will select comment as the trigger, and we will select whichever specific post you want this to be active on. I select, for example, this one, or let's say these two, and I want that these people comment the keyword broccoli, and this flow should start. And I want that they should also get comment replies, so comment reply 1, and we will add comment reply 2. So these are the two comment replies that will be shuffled, and we will randomize these and send them to the person commenting. Now what we wanted to do is that the person could comment this keyword as many times as they want, but they don't receive the DMs multiple times. The same message should not go multiple times. So to make that happen, we will first, this is, let's say, the message you want to send. Let's say this is the message, and you want that this message only goes to one person, just once, right? So you will add an action after this and connect it to this, and the action would be to add a tag to the contact. So as per tag to contact, let's say my post was called v1 and v1 message, I'm going to call it v1 message received, and we are going to add that contact. And now what we are going to do is, since once the person receives this message, we are adding a tag. Now we're just going to add a condition on top of it. So that condition we can get from here. Okay, condition we'll get from here, connected to this. So condition would be that the person does not have this tag on their contact. So we'll add the same tag here, and that's it. So what will happen is that first time, this is for the first time the person comments, we check whether that contact has this tag or not. Obviously they won't have the tag because they haven't, it's their first time in this flow, they haven't went here and they haven't received the tag yet. So if the tags are not present, then we send them the message and they receive it, and afterwards we add a tag. Now second time they comment the same keyword, we check whether the tag exists or not. So we have this thing, does not contain. So this will be not true, because they will have by that time this tag, so it will have that tag. So none of the conditions match that account would be the case, and afterwards nothing happens. So this will ensure that no matter how many times they comment, they receive the message only once, because the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all those times they comment, nothing would happen because this isn't connected to anything. So that's what you have to do, and ensure that this tag that you're adding to the contact, that is unique enough, because let's say you use the same formula on a different automation as well, where you selected some other posts here and you already selected v1 message received. If it is also put there as a tag, then they will not receive even a single message, because by that time they will already have this tag on their contact. So for this post, let's say it was v1 message received, for another it could be v2, v3, and v1, v2, v3 are just the names of the posts. So just have to be mindful of that you're adding a contact tag, and if it is already present once, and if you use it in another flow, it might cause problems, because by that time it will already be there and the customer would get no message at all. So make these unique for each automation.